even thought about pulling in, but I was like, no, I'll give it another go around.
Right. Okay. All right. Head over that way, and I'll give you a call back once I locate him again.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yep.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Joe. Hey, can you hear where my drone is at?
Yes, I can see it actually.
Okay. You got to kind of head that way. The one is still there. I don't know where the other one is at.
Okay. Well, one's a start. All right. Shit, it must be across the little river, huh?
No, they're on the other side of the river. This one's got like a white tip on the end of its tail.
Yes.
Do they both have that, or?
Yes. All right. Let's see. Where's all that? Where the boys?
Will they come to you if you call them?
Normally they will. Is he not moving?
Yeah, he's just kind of pacing around like he's lost or something. I don't know.
Probably. I know one of them, I think, is getting like doggy dementia. So that might be the one.
He's kind of headed back north now. He's following that river. If you know where that river's at, go back to that, because he's kind of following the edge of it.
He's following the edge of it?
Yeah. But he's headed north.
You know what? Let me call you right back. I'm going to call my phone to see what's at the house and tell him to put his muffins on and walk back behind our house.
Okay.
All right, cool. I'll give you a call right back.
Okay.
All right, thanks. To go back around behind our house. Also, I hear a dog, and it sounds like a husky howling.
Okay, well, it's not this one. This one's walking around, so it's not him.
Okay, I'm really nervous the other one's like hurt, because it sounds like a dog hurt.
Okay.
And it kind of sounds like one of ours, but I can't get to him.
Can you tell where that's coming from?
It's coming from so I'm at the dump.
Behind the dump somewhere?
You. Yeah, back towards you, I think.
Oh, the other one is right there. Okay, I gotta call her real quick here.
Yeah, no problem. You're good.
Okay.
See what's going on.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi. Okay, the other one is back there too.
Okay.
You need to get back to where my drone is at somehow. Is your husband around somewhere?
No, he had to leave. It's been crazy. It's just been crazy.
Are you on foot, or what are you doing now?
Yeah, I am on foot. I'm almost back towards the dump.
Can you hear my drone or no?
No, I can't.
Have your son come over there with you. Yeah, the other one is either hurt or stuck.
Okay. It's probably the same one. It's probably the stuff. Alright, I'm actually...
No, go along the river. He's behind you. Go right behind you. Turn around, walk straight. To your right.
They say a good dog's a man's best friend.
Is he stuck or injured or?
Lord knows mine was one of
All right,
them.
put the phone down if you need
Over
to.
the years and through the miles, he stayed right there by my side. From taking walks and chasing balls, running up and down our halls. Those memories I won't forget. I know he's not here, but man, gotta be jumping through the waves and playing fetch on a beach by the crystal sea. I bet he's riding around with Grandpa on those shiny golden streets. And if good dogs go to heaven, he'll be at those pearly gates waiting on me. His eyes said more than most words do. As time went by, the closer we grew, and it didn't matter where we'd go. But if there's a chance, yeah, I just know if good dogs go to heaven, that's where mine's gotta be. Jumping through the waves and playing fetch on a beach by the crystal sea. I bet he's riding around with Grandpa on those shiny golden streets. And if good dogs go to heaven, he'll be at those pearly gates waiting on me.
Just rub his back legs. Try to get him warm. Get that other one away from the water.
Oh, take that. Go sit down. Yeah, he was in there good.
Yeah, he wasn't coming out of there. Yeah, just kind of rub him down. He might just be kind of cold.
Yeah, he should be like he's cold.
I don't know how in the heck I can get back there. I mean, hopefully the dog will get up and walk, but I don't know how.
Yeah, well, he's 90 pounds, so if I can throw it on my shoulders, I can carry him. But so can Shane probably, but he's got both dogs, you know.
Yeah, well, the other one's walking. The other one's following him. He's not.
Okay. All right. Holy cow. Hello?
Hi, Joe. You guys, I see you guys sitting back. Did you have something going on or a plan or something? Or
Yeah, so I think my son, I can't tell, but I thought he was running back towards us. But the two amazing people that are here with me, their vehicle is like super close. We're going to try to get them into the vehicle and drive right down the street to the house.
Okay, yeah, I would definitely go to his vehicle. It's a lot closer.
And Poe is just so, I think he's so cold from being stuck in the water and then he's not walking.
Right.
So we're just, I mean, he's really heavy, so we're just going to take the brakes. And
I seen him walk for a minute.
he did, he stood up. I don't think he's injured. I think it's like...
He's just cold.
Thermic, yeah.
Right. Okay, yeah, I would definitely go to that kid's vehicle. It's a lot closer.
Okay, yeah, we're going to do that. And